Hey everyone, Christmas Eve is here and the holiday spirit is in full swing. Whether you're wrapping up last-minute gifts or preparing a festive meal, there's one question that might be lingering in the back of your mind. You're probably wondering about the stock market hours today. Is the market open? Can you still make those crucial trades before the holiday celebrations begin? If so, when does it close? Let's dive into it and get all the details you need to navigate this festive trading day. First off, yes, the stock market is open on Christmas Eve, but don't get too comfortable just yet. Here's the catch, it's not a full trading day. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the NASDAQ will both close early at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. This early closure means you have a limited window to complete any trades you might have planned. So, if you have any last-minute trades, make sure you get them done before the early closing bell rings. It's crucial to be aware of this early closing time, especially if you're managing a portfolio or looking to make strategic moves before the holiday break. Now, let's talk about the bond market. The Securities Industry and Financial Markets Association, SIFMA, recommends the bond market close at 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Christmas Eve. This gives you an extra hour to manage any bond-related transactions. So, if you're involved in the bond market, you have a bit more time to wrap things up. That extra hour can be quite beneficial, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments or finalize deals before the market closes for the holiday. Why the early closing, you ask? It's all about giving traders, brokers, and everyone in the financial industry a bit of a break to enjoy the holiday. The financial markets can be incredibly demanding, and this early closure provides a much-needed respite for those who work tirelessly throughout the year. After all, the markets can be pretty intense, and a little downtime is well-deserved. It's a chance for everyone to recharge and come back refreshed. But what about Christmas Day itself? Both the stock and bond markets will be closed entirely on December 25th. No trading, no transactions, complete shutdown. This means you can fully immerse yourself in the holiday festivities without worrying about the markets. So, take this time to relax, enjoy with family, and recharge. It's a perfect opportunity to step away from the screens and spend quality time with loved ones. Now let's look ahead to the rest of the holiday season. The markets will reopen on December 26th, operating on their usual schedule. However, keep an eye out for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day schedules, as these can also have modified hours. It's essential to stay informed to avoid any surprises. The markets will be back in full swing after Christmas, but remember that New Year's Eve might also have an early closure, and New Year's Day will see the markets closed. If you're an investor, it's crucial to stay on top of these holiday hours. Missing an early close could mean missing out on essential trades or adjustments to your portfolio. To avoid any last-minute rushes or missed opportunities, make sure to mark your calendars and set those reminders. Being prepared is key to navigating the holiday trading schedule smoothly. Missing an early close could mean missing out on essential trades or adjustments to your portfolio. So, mark your calendars and set those reminders. Alright, that wraps up our quick update on Christmas Eve stock market hours. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial updates. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial updates. Happy holidays, and may your investments prosper in the new year. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, and may your investments prosper in the new year. Thanks for watching.